Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into something pretty close to my heart, rebuilding your character, the urban way. Now, I'm not talking about cityscapes or subway rides, though they do have their charm. I'm talking about reconstructing who you are in the hustle of everyday life. First things first, let's talk about habits. You've probably heard it a million times, but building good habits is cornerstone to any form of self-improvement. But here's the twist. Don't just adopt any habit, choose habits that resonate with your core values. Love creativity? Maybe set a daily time to sketch or write. Passionate about health? How about morning jogs through the nearest park? Now, on to resilience. Yep, that trendy buzzword, but stick with me. Resilience isn't just about bouncing back, it's about bouncing forward. Next time life throws you a curveball, instead of just recovering, try to find a lesson in that experience. It's like every setback is a setup for a comeback, right? Communication is key, folks. And I'm not just talking about chatting up your friends, it's about expressing yourself clearly and listening actively. Try this. Next time you're in a conversation, focus more on understanding the other person than on being understood. It's a game changer, trust me. And let's not forget about empathy, putting yourself in someone else's shoes. It doesn't just improve your relationships, but it also gives you a deeper understanding of what makes people tick. And in a bustling urban environment, understanding different walks of life is invaluable. Finally, let's wrap this up with reflection. Take time to look back at your day, your week, your year. What did you learn? What would you change? Keep a journal, make voice memos, whatever works for you. Just make sure you're taking stock of your life. Because self-awareness, that's the real key to character building. All right, that's a wrap on rebuilding your character, the urban way. Remember, it's not about the destination, it's about the journey. So keep pushing, keep improving, and hey, keep it stylish while you're at it. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you found this helpful. Catch you in the next one.